In this video I'm going to show you how to do the setup of your Canon CP1500 photo printer. So it comes with the paper tray. You get also an ink cartridge and also the papers. Now first step is to connect the power cable at the back of the printer. Then you have to press the power button. Now go to your printer display panel. On the display panel we have to select the language, press English and then press OK. Next step it says is install the app, so press OK for that. Now go to your smartphone, so I'm just using my iPhone, and download the Selphy photo app and download the Canon Selphy app. You can download it from the App Store. The name is on the top. Now click on the plus button. On the next screen we have to add our printer, so select CP1500. On the next screen you have to scan the QR code. Press OK. Click on the join. Printer is registered, press OK, and on the next screen we can start printing. We press OK and press OK again. Next step is to install the ink and load the paper. Ink chamber is on the right hand side, so if you just open this door and take the ink cartridge out of the packaging, look for the holes and you have to place it like this. So you just have to load it like this. Once you hear a lock sound, it's installed properly. Close the door. Next step is to load the paper. Now open the paper tray. It says open and the arrow mark. Again it says open. So lift it from here. Load the paper with the glossy side facing up. So just place it here. Close this section. Open the front door of the printer. Load it here. Next step is to go to the app, select and print. So we are printing on the postcard, so that's okay. Smartphone. Click on the recents. It will display all the photos you have and you can select a photo to print. For example, to print this photo, click on the print button. It may ask you to join again. So wait for the printer. Image is sent, press OK. So this way we can do the complete setup of this printer and we can start using it to print the photos. If you want, you can also connect this printer with the Wi-Fi network of your home, and then you can add in laptop, MacBook or to your smartphone. So that's all about it. Thanks for watching.